Hey guys, this is how you measure for new doors using the CabinetMule Calculator. Here we have a single door opening. You're going to want to measure the width of the cabinet door opening, face frame to face frame, which is 21 inches. Measure the height, which is 16 and a half. Take those measurements. You'll click cabinet opening. Choose your overlay, which is a 1/2 inch. Choose single door opening. Width 21, height 16 and a half. And the calculator will automatically determine that the actual size of your door will be 22 inches wide, 17 and a half inches high, based upon your overlay and opening dimensions.